Hi guys, welcome back to my channel V and Craft Toys. This channel I make everything from cardboard. So today I show you a Apple phone, an iPhone that I make from cardboard. So do you know what is this phone? This is iPhone 11. Okay, this is iPhone 11. It's have a very beautiful screen. Okay, volume. It especially it has three camera. iPhone 11 has three camera. The floodlight. Okay, I show you clearly. So this video I only show you about this phone. And if you want to make this phone, I have another video that I already uploaded in my channel last time. And that video I show you step by step to make this phone. You can watch again and follow that video to make. So now if you like this video, please press like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more information when I upload a new video. Goodbye. Thank you.